Welcome to Enoch and Jackie. This is Fort Portal City Hoping, and of course, as always, we take you along with us on a trip. We want to bring you in Fort Portal. It's a new city, and we're sharing our weekend getaway with you. This is our very first time. We haven't been here. We've been to Western Uganda, but not Fort. So we're in a beautiful place. It's called Homebliss. It feels homely, as you see. So I started right from our balcony. I'm sitting in this pink egg chair that blends so well with my kaftan, and the feeling is really good. I can't wait to take you inside. So we're gonna get in. Before we do that, shout out to our director of photography and videography, Bill Flix of Synpap Media, and of course Enoch, my husband, who is the executive producer of this show. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please give us a subscription. If you love our content, give us a thumbs up. Hi, Eno. So this is Homebliss. This is Cactus room number 2, where Enoch and I will be having some magic tonight. So let's check it out and check out our room. I love our rug as we get in. It says there's no place like home. So now let's check out how homely this is. This room is a beauty. It's so executive. It's got really calm and executive colors. They're peaceful. It's like a counseling room. If you look around our bed, our net is
canopy.
It's a canopy. I love the wood that has been put around it, and this is Homebliss. We have 2 bedside tables. I do love our bed. It's real wood, like it's beautiful wood, but clean, fine lines. This is contemporary. You know, it can be wood and African or boho that run like rough, but this is sleek. Before I take you to my favorite, like I love 3 things. My favorite, I love our accent chairs, which you're going to see in a bit. I love the rug. I love the curtains. I love the lamp. Our bedside lamp is really cute. I don't know how I knew to wear some turquoise on me, but the rug is a turquoise blue. It's beautiful, and so are the accent chairs. We do have a screen. We have DSTV in here, and we have a beautiful plant along there. So it's a simple room. It's not congested, but it's classy, it's peaceful, it's sweet. Let's show you the bathroom. So we have a laundry bag right at the entrance of our bathroom, which is really cute. It's also contemporary and clean, as you're going to see. The colors do match. It's a really cohesive room. It's a white shark curtain, and I love this. We have a beautiful mirror. I'm able to see myself in this white mirror here. Toilet is really nice. We do have a toilet challenge. We're finding out the best toilet. We'll be voting with you. We're about to find out the best toilet in Fort Portal City. We've already done the challenge in Ginger, and 2 friends Ginger won it. So in Fort, who is going to take the place? This toilet is really cute, clean and neat. You have a silver bin and a nice toilet right there, and beautiful white towels, as should be. So beautiful. I had missed this. I love. Look at that. You see, the shower head is really beautiful. Homebliss shower gel, Homebliss shampoo. These guys are really African collection. The African collection with lemon grass extraction. These guys are African contemporary. I love. So you have shampoo and the soap dish. Guys, we're voting the best bathroom, best toilet. Pay attention. Look at the soap dish. Neat, clean, white. Their products are African collection, so I guess that's somebody from Fort Portal that's supplying this, which is good. Sustainable tourism, and it's beautiful. Yeah, this is senses, room scents, room fragrances. I love this. Mikey, what do you think?
Lovely.
It's awesome. So home decor tip: if you are putting up your pictures of wall hangings, you see from Enoch's head Is it on this seat? See the distance. It shouldn't be so far from the head or from the seat, because I realize a lot of us put our wall art like really far up, unless you're doing like a gallery of sorts. Like I'll show you our mirrors. There are 3. If you're creating a gallery, that's okay. You could come from up to down, or it's a huge piece. If it's just one, like we did, one cute piece, just not far. And if I stand, it's not far from my eye as well. We have a double closet. He's in house, so don't mind. Mine just has a backpack, and we have all this space, and snacky shoes. They have all these, all that storage. So that's the closet, and this I love, love, love. This is hidden storage. Guess what's in there? Some little refrigerator. Isn't that cute? This keeps it cohesive to this. It's really neat. And we have the kettle. We were able to take tea all night. Different teas, different flavors. These guys are really on point. Strawberry, white, nut, whatever, green tea. We had it all, and we have a cute trash bin here. Trash can. So it's still about wall art. You see these 3 mirrors. We've tried to create a gallery. 1, 2, go now. You could even put all the way up if you wanted to. I will still look cute, like go. But see how they try to keep it not far from the floor, not so far, just in between. There is a balance. So that's the technique. I always share tips from the different interiors we find and the different rooms. This is Fort Portal City Hopping. Enoch and Jackie is the channel. To subscribe, my name is Jackie Dewey, and we are a travel couple. We do this for fun and for business. PM us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. We are everywhere. We are a lot on Facebook and on YouTube. And Insta, those are our 3 most active spaces, though we are everywhere. Ciao, ciao. Hope you enjoyed the room tour.